Hi, everyone. Welcome back to another WIA Weekly Wind Up, where we meet you here every Tuesday to chat a little bit about what we have going on within the Women in Analytics and Data Connect community. Our first of all, update on these weekly windups. These will be moved to 12 o'clock on Tuesdays. So instead of 10, historically, what we were doing, we're going to be moving these to 12. So stay tuned and join us every Tuesday at 12 Eastern to hear a little bit more about what we have going on. First things first, I know we've missed a couple of weeks. We've had the Data Connect conference here in Columbus. So our time has been certainly occupied by that. Just a couple of additional announcements around Data Connect conference. If you haven't had an opportunity to grab your ticket for 2025, those are already on sale, which is incredible. We are doing an extra early bird round of our conference tickets this year. So if you either attended in person this year and are interested in attending next year, or didn't get the chance, or attended virtually and want to join us in person, the kind of extra early bird round of tickets is going to certainly be the best and most financially savvy way to lock in your ticket for next year. So if you go to dataconnectconf.com, dataconnectconf.com, right here in the Data Connect conference dropdown, we already have the updated dates for next year. You can hit register, and then you can check out all of our tiered pricing for this year. So with that, we've got the extra early bird pricing, like I mentioned. That is good until July 31st. So we've only got a few more days left of this extra early bird price point. We have our regular conference pass right now is $425. If you are interested in the combo pass, that is $670. If you were to purchase your combo workshop pass separately, you would spend about $920. Whereas if you purchase them within this combo pass, it is only $670. So you're saving a lot of money there. And same with the nonprofit pricing and the student pricing. We also are offering our executive pass this year as well, which gives you access to all of our executive exclusive options, as well as a workshop that is $15.95. There is just one price point for that. So if you're interested in locking in your ticket for this year, again, now is certainly the best time to do so. You can save a lot of money by doing it this way. So we would highly recommend locking that in sooner than later. Additionally, if you're interested in sending a team, you can reach out to us at info@womeninanalytics.com. We would love, in addition to this extra early bird price point, we also offer bulk discounts. So if you are interested in sending a team, which we would love for you to, 10% off 10 or more tickets, 20% off 20 or more tickets, paired with this extra early bird pricing is an incredible deal. So we would love to see you in 2025. Additionally, on the Women in Analytics side of things, we're kind of shifting gears here now that the conference is over. We do have a webinar coming up tomorrow, so wanted to share some more information around that and how you can stay in the loop on all of the events we have going on. So if you head over to womeninanalytics.com, up here in the events tab, you can see our next virtual webinar is coming up tomorrow at noon Eastern. You can learn a little bit more about the session here. And once you're ready to commit, you can hit register. Our biweekly webinars are open for anyone to attend. They are free to join. We are kicking off this new series, The Future of AI, which is being hosted in partnership with Dataiku. So we're super excited about partnering with them on kind of this Gen AI topic. So if you are interested in learning a little bit more, again, womeninanalytics.com, click on the events tab. You can learn a little bit more about the session here and hit register. Additionally, we have a couple of other new things that we're working on rolling out as well. If you're interested in learning more about how your organization can sponsor an upcoming webinar, Data Connect Conference 2025, or any of our other community initiatives, we have our newly updated sponsorship page here. So lots of ways to drive value here, lots of different reasons as to why you may want to support Women in Analytics. We've also got our webinar sponsorship oriented things here, as well as some other community sponsorship options. And then we made a pretty large announcement at the conference this year. We're actually working on rolling out our first speakers bureau. So if you are interested in learning a little bit more about what that speakers bureau might look like, you can click on this tab here. Our Speakers Bureau features really hand-selected speakers from our past Data Connect conferences. So if you are running an event yourself, looking for a speaker for your organization, looking for a speaker to present on a webinar, you can learn a little bit more about some of the speakers that we've had at our events historically here. If you're interested in that list, you can request access, a couple of different reasons as to why you would want to choose speakers, how to book them, all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more, please check out our Speakers Bureau page, request access to the list, and we'll follow up with you shortly. So those are kind of the main things I wanted to share with you today. Again, first things first, Data Connect 2025 tickets are on sale now. If you are interested, till July 31st, they are the best price that they will be. We're also offering bulk discounts on those. So if you are sending a team and want to do it at an incredibly affordable price, you can do so through July 31st. Additionally, we have a webinar coming up on Wednesday at noon, sponsored by Dataiku. So stay tuned for that. That is, again, tomorrow at noon. We'll be talking about the Gen AI process, and we'll have an incredible speaker from Dataiku joining us. And then lastly, we made, again, a huge announcement at Data Connect conference around our Speakers Bureau. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about that, you can check it out here. And lastly, if you're looking to get a little bit more involved within the Women in Analytics community, we've just recently updated our Get Involved tab as well. So lots of different ways to stay in the loop, including, writing an article or contributing to content in some way. We also are working on building out some courses as well, which would be really great. So if you have a concept for a course that you're kind of wanting to see through or wanting to help us build out, we have some resources and some great systems and processes to help bring that dream to life. We also are working on re-rolling out our advocacy program. We have a Women to Watch concept. We are looking for mentors as well. So if you're interested in participating in our mentorship program that is rolling out in September, we're actually currently collecting applications for the mentorship program. Once we've got enough folks within our pipeline, we'll start setting up some interviews, make sure that you're a good fit for the program, and then we'll kick that off in September. If you are interested in being a podcast guest or suggesting a podcast guest, you can also do that here. And again, we kind of talked about sponsorship at a really high level, but if you're interested in supporting the initiatives, including any of our webinars, community-oriented things, Data Connect conference, you can learn a little bit more here as well. So thanks so much for joining me, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks, everyone.